Welcome, today in front of me REALME 9 Pro, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should hold for a while the application and drag this application to another one. And as can you see here, we got a new folder on our device screen. We can rename this folder if you want. Just click once here on the name and rename the folder. For example, enter the apps, click here to OK, and as can you see, we just successfully rename device folder. And also, for example, we'll hit here one more application. If you want, you can move this folder here on the screen. Just hold for a while and drag it, for example, here. Also, we can move the folder between the screens, or also we can create a new screen with this folder. And if you want to remove the application from the folder, you should hold for a while the app and drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen, or also you can just hold for a while and click here to remove. But don't worry, you will remove the application only from your device screen, but you will stay here with this app in just apps menu. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.